Hi, hello, how are ya? Chef Kennedy here. This month I'm showing you step by step how to make an epic pizza at home. According to a recent survey, pepperoni is the #1 pizza topping in the US. This week I'll show you how to make the most delicious vegan pepperoni. Instead of stuffing cows and pigs into pepperoni like a normal human, I'll be using beans and hippie shit. Weird, I know. What did the pepperoni say to the cheese? Slice to meet you. Let's get into it. Okay, so today we'll be making a kidney bean and seitan pepperoni. And we're gonna start with the dry mix and 1 cup of vital wheat gluten, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half teaspoon of smoked paprika, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and whisk it up. Now for our wet, we'll take a half cup of kidney beans, 1 clove of garlic, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1 teaspoon of fennel, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of tamari, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, a half a cup of roasted red peppers, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and we're going to blend this on high. Everything should be nice and blended with no fennel seeds or anything visible. Now we're going to add that to the dry mix and mix it up until a dough forms. Once you have your dough, place it onto a clean work surface. We're going to knead it for about 5 minutes. Form it into a flat square, and we're going to cut it into 4 even pieces. Now we're going to take each pepperoni and first form it into a log shape, like so, and then use the surface and your hands to really refine the pepperoni, working from your phalanges to your palms. Once you have your desired shape, we're going to wrap them in plastic wrap, and you want to just tightly roll these but leave a little bit of room for them to expand. Fold down the sides. Then you're going to wrap them in aluminum foil. And you want the same kind of mentality. Get a nice tight wrap, but leave a little bit of room for expansion. And we're just gonna twist the ends tightly and fold down. Now you're going to take a large pot with about 2 quarts of water, place a steamer or a strainer over top, and place your pepperonis inside. And we're going to cover tightly with aluminum foil. We're going to bring this to a boil and then cook on low heat for about 1 hour. Time for a dance break. After an hour has elapsed, you're going to remove the aluminum foil and place them onto a cooling rack until they're cool enough to work with. Once they have cooled, we're just going to remove them from the aluminum and plastic wrap. Now you're going to place this into the refrigerator for at least 6 hours. Once it has cooled, you can slice it as thick or thin as you'd like. Oh, roll that beautiful pepperoni footage. Okay, so here we have our vegan pepperoni, and I have a little cracker cheese happening with some pepper jelly. I'll have a link up here if you want to learn how to make that. And now for the taste test. Oh yeah. The pepperoni is smoky and not chewy like other seitans can be. This is delicious. I think you'll love it. It's got a little boop, little beep, a little kick to it, but it's not too much. This would be perfect for a charcuterie board or for pizza. I just want to give a shout out to my nephew, Drew. Drew, I love you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. From my kitchen to yours, Chef Kennedy out.